Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with those annoying gray icons or messages on Snapchat in 2025, you're in the right place. This issue can be super frustrating, but don't worry, it's often an easy fix. Let's dive in and get your Snapchat back to its colorful, fun self. First off, gray on Snapchat usually means something isn't loading properly, like messages, stories, or even friend icons. This could be due to a weak internet connection, an outdated app version, or built-up cache data. The good news is, we have straightforward steps to resolve it. Step 1. Start simple by restarting the Snapchat app. Just force close it from your recent apps menu and reopen it. This quick reset often clears temporary glitches and gets things loading again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network or have strong mobile data. Snapchat relies on a solid connection, so if you're in a spotty area, try moving to a better location or restarting your router. Step 3. Update your app. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for Snapchat. If there's an update available, install it right away, as developers frequently release patches for bugs like this. Step 4. Clear the cache to free up space and remove corrupted data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device, as iOS handles cache differently. Step 5. If the problem persists, try reinstalling Snapchat. Uninstall the app, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This can wipe out any deeper issues. And finally, if none of these steps work, reach out to Snapchat support through their help center or in app options. They might have specific advice for your device or account. There you go. By following these steps, you should have your Snapchat fixed in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.